Okay, in this recording, we're just going to go back a little bit on the operators that we used here, and we're going to mention specifically the equality operators in this. So these are the two that I've already shown you. There's the double equals and the not equal to. Okay, and these are known as the equality operators. So important that you write these in the method that they're showing here. So if you say not equal to, you say the not first and then the equals. So you must write it in that order. You can't do this. Okay, that won't work. So remember also to put in the double equals, and I'll show you what happens in a moment when that doesn't occur. So just to go back through some of these, I'm going to put x to a value of 3. If I have x equal to 3 in that is going to be true in this case, so therefore the hello is going to get printed out. And we see that that happens. If I put it to any other value, such as 7, we can see that the hello does not get printed out, so that does not occur. Let's try the not equal to. So we'll put the not equal to 3 in the first case. X currently is a value of 3, so therefore if x is not equal to 3 is going to be false, so therefore the hello won't get printed out. Okay, and we can try something like 9 this time. X is definitely not equal to 9, so that will be true, and therefore the hello gets printed out. Now I'm going to show you an unusual one here, which is that one. We're saying if x is equal to 9, now it's definitely not equal to 9, so you might think that that's false. But out comes the hello. Okay. Now what has occurred here is that we've only put in 1 equals instead of the 2, so that is in fact an assignment operator. So what is happening is that the value 9 is getting put into x. Okay, and I'm going to prove that to you by putting a %d here and then putting the x after it, just to prove to you that that value 9 has definitely gone into x. Let's have a look. I'll say hello, and you see the 9 has gone in there. Let's put a slash in there to make that more obvious. So there's the 9. Now what has occurred here is that the 9 has gone into x, so the overall thing becomes equated to that value, which is 9. 9 is not 0, and therefore it must be true, so the overall thing gets equated to true. So be very wary of that one. If you only use a single equals, which you shouldn't in this case, that is what will occur. And you'll notice that no error came up at the bottom of the screen. So it's not like the C programming software thinks that you've done something wrong. As far as it's concerned, you know exactly what you're doing, despite the fact that you may not. So that's a common error that will occur. Be very, very wary of it. Okay, so that's it for the equality operators.